Introducing our new carbon clamping gutter pools from Gutter Provac, a new and improved way to clean out those leaf and debris-packed gutters from the safety of the ground. With our new carbon clamping gutter pools, you have the power to clean gutters safely, quickly, and easily. The carbon clamping gutter pools provide you with the strength and durability you need to suck out the toughest debris and dirt in gutter. With a choice of 2 different pole kit lengths, 20 foot or 40 foot, you can select the length that fits your needs. Each pole weighs 16.5 ounces and is 4 feet long. The carbon clamping gutter poles are easy to connect and disconnect, making them ideal for job site safety and efficiency. The locking clamps allow you to lock each pole in place, ensuring there is no slip. With the lightweight carbon pole and the clamp's secure lock mechanism, you can have the power to easily clean out any clogged gutters. It also comes with a durable silicone U-bend neck and aluminum nozzles. We also offer an optional add-on carbon swan neck. You can now clean gutters in a fraction of the time, while standing firmly on the ground. So what are you waiting for? Order now or call us today to discuss how we can help you find your perfect gutter vacuum setup.